Okay, yeah. My mic is connected now. All right, let's talk about APOD first. APOD, an insider did buy shares. They did increase their stake in APOD, which of course has led to an increase in share price. We did have one guy in the Discord. Unfortunately for him, we had a guy in the Discord. He sold. He sold APOD. He sold it at a loss before the big pump. Before the big pump, he was like, you know what? I'm just gonna take the loss, and he took a $1,800 loss. I don't know why. It makes no sense at all. Because like you're paying to be in the Discord, right? You're paying to be in the Discord, and for some reason you decided I'm just gonna take this quick L. Like that doesn't even like I don't even I'm shocked. I was like, huh? Like what are you doing, buddy? So let's take a quick look at that because it's a good lesson for EPLD here. This is why you don't listen to the noise. So yeah, so this Discord member for some reason is paying to be in the Discord and not listen. Maga Nick blundered. He's not. I don't know if he's actually Maga. I don't think so, but that's what we call him, Maga Nick. I know Petrosky's having a laugh right now. Maga Nick blundered. He sold APLD at a loss on the 28th of November, feeling like today might be my last chance to get out of APLD. Well, buddy, let's see. And by the way, he's holding something riskier instead of this. That's what's funny. So yeah, on November 28th, right here, he was seeing this uptrend, this white line crossing over the yellow line. I mean, it just looked beautiful. Bounce off of the purple line. It's just perfection. There was no way this wasn't gonna go back to the top of the trend line at the very least, which it did, and a little bit above it. Let me see. Let me micro adjust it here. Oh, bullish flag as well. Look at that. Even Mumu is like, by the way, there's a bullish flag on this. Even Mumu, even the algorithm is like, I don't know what that guy was smoking, but that's a bullish flag, my friend. Even Mumu is giving you the look at that 59% chance probability that we break out above 30 and go higher, according to Mumu, the algorithm. So even a bot knows better than to sell, right? Yeah, she sold the one she was allowed to sell. The only thing I'm arguing against myself with is the MACD and RSI indicate bullish, but is it a bull trap? See, this guy, he was overthinking. He was overthinking. He wasn't keeping it simple, right? We keep it simple, guys. What do you want? What do I always tell you? Purple line, buy. Does it have increasing revenues? Does it keep getting contracts? Buy. This guy's over here like, well, the MACD, I don't even know what he was arguing against with the MACD. The MACD got a signal. White line crossing over the yellow line is good. Means we got upside to come. And that's exactly what happened, right? Whoa, upside after that white line crossed the yellow. Whoa, 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 right? RSI indicate bullish, but is it a bull trap? Like, why is he even thinking bull trap? Who cares if it's a bull trap? We're gonna buy cheap. We're buying at a massive discount from the high of what, $40? What the hell is the problem? What is this bull trap? Who cares? Wickoff. Who the hell is Wickoff? Suggest this is in distribution phase. This guy doesn't even understand what distribution is. Distribution was up there, buddy. Distribution happens all the way up there. That chop in October, that was your distribution, indicating a downtrend. So yeah, we are in a downtrend. You don't need no wick off. You can just grab a chart, and even Mumu did the analysis for me. For me, that's what's funny. Look at that. Those are the trend lines, and yes, we are in a downtrend. Who would have thunk it after 2 months of downside that we would be? Whoa! Who would have thunk it that we're in a downtrend? Wow! Who never would have figured that out. I see last point of supply based on wick off theory. Granted, I am still trying to learn that strategy, but this looks textbook to me. So he's trying to learn a strategy, but it looks textbook. What textbook is he? What is he talking about? This guy's what? He's living in like the 1980s. Like this is modern day trading, modern swing trading. He's using old ass strategies. Meanwhile, we're getting with the times here with the purple line. Keep it simple, guys. This is why you keep it simple. I just did out at 550. I don't know what that means for a $1,800 loss, so I wasn't willing to risk it any longer. I feel like it's going down more at 7:03 a.m. So this guy was up at 3:19 a.m. and then at 6:53 a.m. 3 hours later, he's like, "Oh man, it doesn't look good." This guy looks like he spent like all night from 3:19 to 7. He spent 4 hours just thinking about it. Is what it looks like here. I just did out. So wow, 10 minutes later, he's just like, man, I'm gonna take the loss. Like this guy's basically Joey Shaw number two. This guy might be worse than Joey Shaw, worse because it's like, how do you sell something so good? How? How do you? How? Of course, Trucker Jeff is laughing. He's just like, oh my god, I can't believe people are that dumb. Like he was laughing. He was telling me like, "Oh my goodness, that guy's a buy signal if anything." He had a good laugh about that one. Maga Nick blundered. He sold Apld at a loss. Shades, what can I learn from this? Ignore the FUD and noise. Stop paying attention to the people saying, "Oh, it's over. It's the end of the world." Stop. Ignore the noise. Focus on the charts. Focus on that purple line. It's the easiest strategy ever. Did it touch the purple line and bounce off of it? Cool. It's a buy. Keep buying. What the hell is wrong with people? If Coach Shade says buy, buy. Are we gonna take losses? Yes. I'm not a genius. I can't. I can only do analysis on charts and look at the revenues and see if the revenues are going up. That's it. Like it's that simple. Don't use archaic strategies. I don't even know what strategy he was using, but that thing sounded like BS. Don't listen to rookies. Always do the opposite. He got mad at me because I told him that he's a rookie. He's been trading the markets for years now, and he's still a rookie. He joined the Discord supposedly to learn, but he's being Joey Shaw. He's being just like Joey Shaw. He's not listening to me. He's not listening to me. Joey Shaw's not listening to me. You better believe he's buying more MSTR. Good luck to him. But I think we might have the new Joey Shaw here. Doesn't listen, does his own thing, takes unnecessary losses, using archaic. Just I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on with this guy. I I don't even know. I'm stuttering because I'm shocked. So Joey Shaw, congrats. You are no longer the biggest L in the Discord. My goodness, I see if he was holding if MAGA Nick was holding MSTR, then I'd be like, sure, yes, okay, go ahead and take the loss, right? I agree with that. But APOD of all things, what? Are you insane? Huh? And he's gonna watch this video and he's gonna get angry. And I've seen this report. I've seen this before, man. I've seen this before. I've seen this before. I've met the same type of like. There's just a certain subset of traders that just they're never profitable because they just keep doing the stupidest shit possible. They say they're there to learn, but they don't actually learn. They get angry when someone calls them out. Um, they make excuses, etc., etc., and that's why they're never profitable despite being in the markets for years. Joey Shaw and Maga Nick, they have one thing in common. They've been in the game for years now, and they don't learn. They just keep losing money. I don't know how to help these people. If someone has any ideas, I don't know, but I just have the theory that these people can't be helped. They have to, they have to help themselves first. But I mean, years and years of just the same story, I don't think they can even help themselves at this point. That there's probably a deeper issue with Joey Shaw and Maganek here. I don't know. That's just the crazy thing. I just can't believe it, man. But the weekly time frame, apparently there's a bull flag here. I don't know what the AI here on Moom was seeing, but apparently a bull flag. Sure, a bull flag. I sure. It's breaking out. If we if this breaks above 30, I promise you, if this breaks 30, we go to 35, then 40, and we do it fast. So keep that in mind. I was telling everyone in the Discord, hey, look, buddy, look. Let me. Why is this frozen? I think I just froze. Oh no. I'm fine. So as you can see here, I'm going to measure something for you real quick, right? I just wanted to make that lesson because it's important for you guys, especially the beginners, to see like how like dumb other people can be. Like and they have someone by their side. They got Coach Shades here telling them, "Hey, I got you," and they don't listen. It's ridiculous. So you can see how quickly we can drop from 40 right to 18, and then just as quickly we recovered from 18 to a high of 30. So yes, we dropped like $22, but we recovered $12. So and that's I want to point something out. I want you to think about what I'm about to say. What I'm about to say is very important. We dropped $22, but we recovered $10 real quick. $12 real quick. And the best part is we touched that purple line right here. So it works. The strategy, if you bought near the purple line, you literally are up 56%. I don't know what to tell you. That's number one. Number two, this is happening. This is the way this stock is moving in a bear market, and well, in a downtrend, in a downtrend, in a downtrend. I don't want to call it bear market just yet. We don't have the signal. We don't have the bear market confirmation yet. But if this is how this stock is moving in a downtrend, just imagine how it's going to move once we go in a bull run again. Right? I know it looks ugly. I know it sucks that it dropped $22, but I mean, if it's moving this much, $10, $12 up from the low in a downtrend, can you imagine how much it's going to move once we go into a bull run? Once we get that euphoria and hype cycle going? Once we go back into super duper extra greed? Yeah, this thing's going to go to 50 plus. That's what's going to happen. That's what's going to happen. So this is a buy. Long term, $100 plus. Shorter term, I mean, you can just keep buying and flipping it over and over and over again for like $1,000 over and over again if you have the account size. If you want the swing, hold it for 40, 50. If you want to hold it longer for the $100 price target, it's going to might take a year, right? Might take 2 years. So just got to keep in mind, do you take the 40, 35 to $40, $50 price targets? And yeah, you'll make less compared to someone that's holding for 100, but at least you get the money right now. Or do you hold for a year or two and hold for that $100 price target? It's up to you. You have to decide how you're going to play. I've been just flipping it over and over and over and over, just making 100 here, 50 here, 300 here, 500 here. That adds up over time. That adds up over time. And this is how we're making money in a downtrend. Imagine once we start trending to the upside. Just imagine that. It's gonna be chef's kiss. Not chef's. Someone once corrected me like, no, it's not chef, it's chef. Okay? Yeah, okay, I get it. Chef, sure. Sure, right? But no. APLD is a buy. That's it. I don't I again, I am super super shocked that MAGA